Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to change the background color of a text box in Google Slides. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the steps to customize the background color of your text boxes in just a few simple clicks. Let's get started. First, open up Google Slides and navigate to the slide where you want to change the background color of the text box. Next, look for the toolbar at the top of the screen and locate the Fill Color button. It looks like a paint bucket icon. Click on the Fill Color button to open up the Fill Color options. A color palette will appear, displaying a range of colors to choose from. Take your time to explore the different color options. Once you find the color you want, simply click on it to select it. And there you have it. You have successfully changed the background color of your text box in Google Slides. Remember, you can always go back and change the color anytime you want by following the same steps we just went over. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below or visit our website for additional support.